today's dynamic business world, a strong foundation in management education is essential for success. It equips you with the skills and knowledge to navigate complex challenges, make strategic decisions, and lead with confidence.
At Vidyalanka School of Business, we embark on the mission not just to educate but to empower our students. Our legacy is built on integrity, innovation, and deep commitment to our students. The main reason to start PGDM program is to bring the curriculum which is absolutely in sync with the industry that will make our students highly employable. We believe that management education cannot be taken inside the classroom. To minimize that gap, we ensure that our faculty have extensive industry experience. By organizing these workshops, we ensure that the students are ready to face the actual interview with absolute confidence.
Nestled in the heart of education and innovation, VSB offers a comprehensive suite of programs designed for aspiring business leaders. Here we equip our students to navigate the complexities of the domestic and international market with confidence. We have traditional specializations like human resource management, supply chain management, marketing management, financial management, and operations management. We have new age specializations as well, like digital marketing, retail management, international business, information systems, business analytics, financial research, and valuation modeling, banking and financial management. Our teaching methods are designed for experiential learning, featuring tools like our BizLab simulator where students learn through real-world competition.
BizLab stands for Business Laboratory. It's a platform that simulates real-world business environment, which is characterized by changing, rapidly evolving market trends, a dynamic business environment, and fierce competitiveness in industries and various markets.
We also prioritize activities and volunteering, organizing events like domain-specific summits, case study competitions, CEO Spotlight Series, and NGO volunteering. These activities enhance our students' holistic development, preparing them for leadership roles in any setting. VSB has international collaborations which offer students global pathway programs.
Here I am today to talk about our international program, which is an articulation agreement with multiple universities abroad. We fondly call it 1+1. You actually get to choose your own university, and we have affiliations in the US, we have affiliations in UK as well as in New Zealand. All our students have had amazing experiences and they've shared with us. The highlights of this program are the fact that you not only get to experience what it is like to study in India at a master's level, but also abroad. So you get the best of both worlds.
Vidyalankar School of Business, VSB, partners with leading companies to ensure robust career opportunities for our students. Our placement partners include renowned names like IndusInd Bank, Paytm, House of Hiranandani, TCS, among others. Our dedicated placement cell ensures every student is prepared to meet industry demands through internships, life projects, and extensive career support. In the heart of Mumbai lies our 11-acre campus, a hub of academic excellence and modern infrastructure. Equipped with labs, a library, an auditorium, reading rooms, a sports center, and convenient cafes like CCD and Nescafe, our campus ensures students have all they need for success.
Campus life at VSB is vibrant and full of opportunities. It is here where I build network with my peers and professionals alike, enriching my journey towards education and opening doors for numerous opportunities.
Gaining global exposure is a cornerstone of education at VSB. We get to learn a lot from the foreign faculties coming down to teach us from various universities abroad. We also get to participate in a global immersion program which is being held at countries like Dubai, Singapore and Malaysia.
As we look towards the future, our promise remains steadfast to nurture and develop future leaders. I can say at Vidyalanka School of Business, your journey to greatness has begun.
Discover more about our programs, our community, and how you can start your path to success at Vidyalankar School of Business. Your future is waiting.